The 2025 Tata Winger Plus 9-seater is designed as a versatile people mover that combines practicality, comfort, and efficiency for large families as well as commercial fleet operators. In its latest version, Tata has modernized the Winger's styling with a bolder front grille, sharper headlights, and a cleaner side profile, giving it a more premium road presence compared to older generations. The white paint finish highlights its long body proportions, while the sliding doors and tall roofline make it easy for passengers to enter and exit, an important factor for daily commutes or shuttle services. Inside, the Winger Plus focuses on maximizing space with its 9-seater configuration, offering flexible seating layouts that can be adjusted according to passenger or luggage needs. The wide windows bring in ample natural light, making the cabin feel airy and comfortable. Tata has improved ride comfort with better cushioning on seats, improved suspension tuning, and air conditioning vents positioned to cool the entire cabin evenly. For long-distance travel, this makes a significant difference as passengers experience less fatigue. Under the hood, the 2025 Winger Plus comes with Tata's reliable diesel engine known for efficiency and durability. It delivers a balance of power and fuel economy, ensuring smooth city driving as well as highway cruising. Safety has also been enhanced with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a strong body structure, making it compliant with modern safety regulations. Overall, the Tata Winger Plus 9-seater stands out as a practical choice for large groups, tour operators, schools, and even corporate travel. It is not just a van but a modern-day multi